Those of you who are new here, my name is Joshua. I'm an Indian expat living in France. I work in Paris with LTI as a IT consultant, and I'm on a holiday in a French farm where people speak a lot of Dutch. This place is owned by a Dutch family, and there are so many Dutch clients, so that allows me to pick up Dutch by the year, like I picked up all the other languages I know: French, Kannada, Hindi, English, and so on. Today we are going canoeing with the big guy, Ron. And there's Leontine as well, and another French family. Ron says there's a problem with the car, and there's a red light.
Now it's only surfing. Service light is on, but that's his whole life on.
Even after the service, it's also on?
Yeah.
Damn.
They can't turn it off.
They can't turn it off.
That's a French car.
That's a service light. We first drive around 40 kilometers from Brennazé to the start of our expedition. I had no clue how many kilometers we are going to canoe or any of that stuff. All they told me was I can fly my drone, and I just packed my stuff. Yeah, Ron is waiting on. Where is your?
Yeah, I'm cleaning it, otherwise I can't see what it is.
Oh, Anya!
Stop. It's only when I go down. We are early because there will be another trailer as well from the other
Camping?
guys. Yeah, now it's to make some money for the club. Je hebt je pagaai hierin, je draait naar achter, je ziet die boot een beetje naar rechts gaan. Dan draai je je pedal met je duim naar beneden en dan druk je een beetje naar buiten. En dan heb je eigenlijk al dat gelijk gecorrigeerd. Want hoe sneller je een boot corrigeert, ja.
Are you ready? We're gonna push this thing into the water like them and then paddle away. I need my fingers, so I'll see you guys in a bit. And we are canoeing. How do you like it?
I like it. I was a member of the rowing club.
It feels like being Kerala. Yeah. I was very optimistic that I can fly my drone while I'm canoeing, but that was not possible. I couldn't even film for the most part. I don't know how far we canoed, but by car, the distance between the two spots by road was 12 kilometers. How long did we canoe?
1 hour.
Was I a good canoeing partner? I hear you have to be honest. That's the problem with the camera.
Gonna plead the fifth?
I was not a good canoeing partner. We were trying to communicate, and so I was trying to help, but
No, in the end we got there.
yeah, communication is a little difficult. Ron says we gaan eten, which means we're gonna eat. I speak Dutch now. We've been canoeing for an hour. We've been canoeing downstream, so we came faster than walking or anything. We're going to eat some good salad that we made in the morning with Lily, and then have another coffee maybe, and then carry on the expedition. Then we've got cheese that comes from the region, Saint-Nectaire. I've already had the Saint-Nectaire before. Remember this from 2018? Didn't actually think I'd live in this area of France. We have some meat on the menu. Good stuff. Bananas and Nutella. Thanks, Ron. What is the name of the cheese, Ron, with the poivre in it? Capron poivre. Jambon sec. Mamma. There was this episode of Peter McKinnon where he comes with a helicopter into a really remote island, and he stations it there and has coffee and some lunch. Do you feel like we did something similar to that, Leontine, but this time without a helicopter?
Yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere. It's beautiful.
Yeah, the drone shots you can see that it's just no one is here. No. I don't even think any animals are here. And we just stopped our boats and had a nice lunch. We're gonna go down some more. Ron is a smart man, dropped us off in the morning upstream and then he drove all the carts downstream, parked them there, and came back. So now when we go, we have the cars waiting for us, and then we can put the canoes back into the... Oh, nice. Check this out. Good luck. Here. What about this? Oh yeah, that was a big stone. Good job. Het weer is mooi vandaag, hè?
Yes.
Oh jee.
Oh, doe maar.
Ja, is het echt...
The water is so mucky in there, and people are cleaning their shoes. Really mucky, and it's like a swamp, and Ron is enjoying it. This way?
This way.
How many kilometers more?
Klein kilometertje.
Go take a seat. I'm filming you taking a seat. And then I do the same. They said don't stand in the boat. It seems fine to me. What do you think, Leo? We're fine, right?
We're fine.
What did you say like exactly like 1 minute ago?
There's so many strong, tall people around.
And then what happened?
You almost dropped it.
I was helping with that before, and now I'm taking it a little easy. Just dropped the other people and came back, and 5 boats are already on. Last boat on top of the camper, and then we drive back. These guys are from India. They last a lifetime in the muck, in the water, in the everything.
Oh, it's the only expedition.
I've worn it to exam halls, I've worn it to the passport office, I've worn it in flights, and finally on a canoeing trip. You want some?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. You want some?
Good idea.
Did you have a nice day, Ron?
It was a bad day at the office. 1, it's okay. Safety, security. 2, 3, 4. What was it? 5? Oh yeah, in this one, 5. 5 things. It's a new.
Back on the road. I had the best day ever. Steering the canoe. I was steering it with Leontine.
Yeah.
You were in the same boat and you had the best day ever. Wow. It's very good.
In the beginning, I had a lot of trouble communicating with Leontine, and then we learned how to communicate. So what I was saying, you guys tell me what do you think about this? I was telling her, don't say please all the time, because the times when you don't say please, I think it's seriously wrong. Like, Josh, please paddle faster, and Josh paddle feels very aggressive. And Leontine was saying, in my vocabulary, please is good. And I was saying, since you're going to have 15,000 exchanges today, let's just say paddle slow, paddle fast, paddle normal.
Yeah.
Asshole.
What would you do, Ron? Would you say please all the time, or?
I will once ask it nicely and then I start shouting.
No, I would not like that. I'm glad I was not on your boat, Ron.
So you have to go to the right, look at the right side. I go to the left.
I'm making sausages for everyone, but only 3 people eat meat. And then there's veg stuff for the other people. Do you like meat, Igor?
Yes.
So there's sausages for you.
Yeah.
This is only my second video from my stay in this farm. I've been recording so many videos, but I haven't gotten to sitting down and editing them. Hoping to do that in the near future. Thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, keep learning.